I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account type, because the steps differ for Exchange versus IMAP. Open Outlook Desktop or Outlook on the web and go straight to File Info or Settings. View all Outlook settings. Once done, select Automatic Replies or Mail Automatic Replies. Make sure to enable automatic replies and set the range if you want scheduled start and end times. This prevents forgetting to turn it off and sends consistent responses while you're away. Now compose the actual message and explain the why. Internal messages can include project specifics, while external ones should be concise and privacy safe. Once composed, set start and end times if you prefer automatic control, otherwise toggle on manually. Next, add rules. Create exceptions for mailing lists, forward urgent mail to a colleague, or block auto-replies to specific domains. Make sure to test with your personal email to confirm the right message goes to the right audience. Finish by saving your settings and immediately sending a test message from a separate account to verify both internal and external replies. Once you confirm delivery, monitor responses for the first hour and tweak frequency, text, or automatic forwarding rules as needed. If replies aren't working, clear cached credentials, check server-side rules in Exchange Admin or OWA, and confirm the desktop client is syncing. Often the issue is a disabled server rule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.